VerbaHub 5, where language meets intelligence.
Hello everyone. Get ready for an amazing quiz. Let's test your skills today. A paragraph is a collection of words. Main parts of a paragraph include 1. Topic sentence. 2. Supporting details. 3. Concluding sentence. Topic sentence is usually the first sentence. Introduces the main idea of the paragraph. It contains a topic and a controlling idea. Supporting details are sentences that explain, prove, or illustrate the topic sentence. Supporting details can include facts, examples, statistics, experiences, or explanations. At least 3 supporting sentences are used in a paragraph. Concluding sentence is the last sentence of the paragraph. It summarizes the main idea and often links to the next paragraph. For essential elements of a good paragraph are 1. Unity. 2. Order. 3. Coherence. 4. Completeness. Unity is one main idea. Order is a logical organization. Coherence means sentences are connect smoothly. Completeness is concluding sentence. 6 steps of paragraph writing include 1. Decide the topic. 2. Develop a topic sentence. 3. Demonstrate your point. 4. Give meaning explanation. 5. Conclude. 6. Proofread and revise. Dear students, now attempt the quiz by clicking the link in the description.